Long, gorgeous nails aren't necessarily made in a nail salon. Acrylics are pricey and can damage your nails, and the toxins from nail polish can do some scary things to your body too. As for growing out your nails naturally, that often seems like a pipe dream, especially for habitual nail biters and those with brittle nails. Thankfully, you don't have to be blessed with flawless nails to have a manicure you are proud of. Watch the video to the end, subscribe to the channel to get more recipes and tips. Using only 3 ingredients, you can make your nails grow faster and considerably stronger in just a few weeks. And not only will this all-natural idea save your wallet, but it is also super easy. In 2 small bowls, mix together ½ cup of orange juice and 1 clove of crushed garlic. Then, soak your fingers in the mixture for 15 minutes. Pour out the bowls and fill them with a ¼ cup of olive oil, soaking your fingers for another 5 to 10 minutes. Wash your hands to clear away the leftover residue. After doing this twice a week, you will start to see longer, stronger nails in no time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.